Yes, students, today I have defined you some problems of maxima and minima of functions of two variables. Yes, last time I have defined you all the properties of maxima and minima. Yes, so the problem is if u is equal to xy a minus x minus y, show that the maximum value of u is equal to a cube by 27. Yes, this is the question. Yes. So the solution of this equation can be defined as, let u is equal to xy a minus x minus y. Yes, then del u by del x, which is equal to ay minus 2xy yes, because if you are splitting this, then this one can be written as like that, xy a minus x square y minus xy square. Okay, differentiating x, this thing is okay, minus y square, and del u by del x, del u by del y, this one is equal to a x minus x square minus 2xy. Yes, you have cleared it. Now this implies that r is equal to, now you next also you find out del 2u by del x2 and del 2y by del y. R is equal to del 2u by del x2, and which is equal to, that is differentiating again del 2 with respect to x, then here is minus 2y. Yes, clear? And also s, which is del 2u by del x and del y. Okay, del 2u by del x and del y. Okay, that is differentiating again, then this become del u by del x or del u by del y, and also operating for y. Yes, then this become a minus a minus 2x and minus 2y. Clear? Del u by del x is here, again differentiating y, then a minus 2x, and here is this one. Is clear? And also you can find out t, which is equal to del 2u by del y2, and which is equal to minus 2x. Okay, so you get the values of r, s, t. Yes. Now for maximum or minimum, minimum of u, we have what is the condition? Last time I have defined u, which is del u by del x is equal to 0, and again del u by del y is equal to 0. Yes, del u by del x is equal to 0 and del u by del y is equal to 0. That is, del u by del x is this one, del u by del y is equal to this thing. So we can write here a is ay minus 2xy minus y square is equal to 0. And again, yes, here is ax minus x square and minus 2xy. Okay. Now solving these equations, you get the values of x and y. This makes the function SH. Okay. That is, you get the values on solving these values. You get 0, 0, 0, a. Again you get a0, and also you get a by 3 and a by 3. Is clear? So these are the values for solving this equation number. Let us suppose that 1 and 2. Okay. So you discuss for all the points. This one, this one, this one, and also this one. Yes, we have discussed all the cases. Yes, we get solving, we get, yes, this one. Yes, so we discuss the following cases. Yes, case 1, at the point 0, 0. Yes, r is, you substituting x is, yes, x is 0 and y is 0, that is r is you get 0 and s you get a, t you get 0. This implies that rt minus s square, which is less than 0. This implies that this can be done as neither a maximum nor a minimum of u at the point 0 and 0. Yes. Now at the point next one, yes, for second one, yes, for second one at the point, yes, at next one is 0 and a. Yes, here r is minus 2a, s you get minus a, t you get 0, and this implies that rt minus s square you again is 0. Therefore here you can also say this implies that neither a maximum nor a minimum of u at 0a. Yes, clear? So we now discuss the next one. Yes, third case. Yes, third case which is given as, yes, next case, that is at the point, yes, at the point, next one is 0, 0, 0a and a0. you get discussed here. Here you get, at this one you get r is 0, s is minus a, t is equal to minus 2a. This implies that rt minus s square, which is less than 0. Yes, here you can again, this can you say that neither a maximum nor a minimum at u, that is of u at the point you say that here is a and 0. Yes, clear? Now we discuss, this is the third case. Now for the fourth, at the point a by 3 and a by 3. Here we discuss again. R is you get minus 2 by 3a. S is equal to minus 1 by 3a. T is equal to minus 2 by 3a. This implies that RT minus S square is greater than 0. Yes, this implies that U has an extreme value at the point a by 3 and a by 3, and it will be maximum or minimum, and it will be maximum or minimum according as R is negative or positive. Yes, and here we see that according to as A is positive and negative, so the extreme value of U is given as U is equal to A by 3. X is this one, A by 3, and again A minus A by 3 into A by 3. Yes, because here is x, y, A by 3, A minus x minus y. You are substituting here. So you get this value is A cube by 27. Yes, I think you have cleared it. Okay students, thank you. Next video I have defined you some other questions also. Okay.